Hey y'all, I bet y'all thought I forgot about coffee chatter this morning, but I didn't. I'm on my way to Jasper, and I figured I'd talk to y'all. Um, there's a wreck up there, so I kind of pulled over, got me some coffee while we wait. It's not a bad one. It's just someone lost a load of PVC. So I thought I'd talk to y'all. The subject of this video is, I was listening on the radio on the way up here, and they were talking about, well, I can't see y'all without them. They were talking about this Thanksgiving. There's a lot of people stressed out because, they may not be traveling to family that normally cooks Thanksgiving, or the person that normally cooks Thanksgiving is no longer with us. And all of this is due to the C word that I refuse to talk about. I want to help you. I know there's a lot of people that don't cook and they don't bake. And Thanksgiving usually meant going to grandma's or mama's or whoever that always has this fabulous spread. Well, the reason why it's always fabulous, people, is because they do it every year. That's why it's always fabulous. Not that you are not as good as them. That's what they do. You can do this. You just need to know a few simple things to cook Thanksgiving dinner for your family or a smaller group than what y'all normally go do. The first thing I want to tell you, my first piece of advice, is to keep it simple. Don't try anything complicated that you've never done before. Number two, cook what your family likes. Nobody in your family likes sweet potato casserole. Don't stress yourself out making sweet potato casserole. If nobody in your family likes the dark meat of the turkey, they only like the breast, don't stress yourself out making some monster turkey. Go to the Kroger's or Market Basket or wherever you do your grocery shopping and get a turkey breast. It's a bone-in turkey breast. Looks like a big chicken without legs, but it's all breast. If you get the one from Butterball, it even has the little white thing that pops up when it's done. Now, in my opinion, it pops up just a little too late, but that's just me. You have an advantage today that a lot of people didn't have years ago. You have YouTube under your fingers. YouTube, how to make some of this stuff, and it's not difficult. It's not difficult. This is not difficult to do. I don't care what you're making. I have never made bread stuffing. Mom always said she would, and we never did. I don't know why. We just didn't. We make cornbread dressing. Well, I looked yesterday, and there is probably 30 or 40 videos on how to make cornbread dressing. Watch one of them. The third piece of advice I want to give you, get started early. Don't wait till Thursday to do all of this. Decide what time you're going to eat and work backwards. My family usually eats somewhere around 2 or 3. That's what time we usually eat. Which is good. Some families eat at noon. Some don't eat till Thanksgiving dinner, which is that evening. But, you know, this is new for you this year. This is your tradition. This is your party. This is your dinner party. You decide when you want to serve dinner. In not trying to make things difficult on yourself, I want to tell you right now, Miss Smith apple pies and Miss Smith pumpkin pies, you can't go wrong. You absolutely cannot go wrong there. If you've never made homemade pies, you've never made homemade pie crust, I wouldn't advise you trying it Thursday, because the old adage, if something can go wrong, it will, usually comes into play. So, buy a couple of frozen pies. My advice, when you get up that morning, I don't care if you're serving dinner at 2 or if you're serving dinner at 5, I would advise, and my advice, I don't know how big your family is, but have 4 pies. 2 pumpkin and 2, we have coconut. We like coconut. That way, if one doesn't turn out so great, you still got another one. Put that one back in the refrigerator somewhere. Don't let anybody see it. But you can do this, people. Y'all can do this. Rolls, make it easy on yourself. Go to Kroger or wherever they make those rolls. They're sold in a bag over in the bakery, yeast rolls. Brush those things with butter, put them in an oven at 350 for about 10 minutes. They'd swear you made those rolls at home, because it's going to smell up your whole house. My advice, try these tips. Thursday morning, doesn't matter what time you're in, get up, put your pies in the oven, bake your pies. It's going to smell your house up. Set the tone for the whole day. You've already got all of your side dishes done and they're in the refrigerator. You have got your turkey thawed. You have him seasoned up and everything, and he's in a pan in the refrigerator. You have your dressing or stuffing, whichever one you do. It's done. You did that last night and it's in the refrigerator. Your pies are coming out of the oven and, oh, they smell so good. So, by then, everybody's waking up at your house. I would advise you to have biscuits and jelly or gravy or whatever for them to eat, since you're not going to eat later. They'll be happy. You'll be happy. Enjoy the day. No, your dressing is not going to taste like Grandma's dressing. Your turkey, she's going to, you goes, I don't know what she did to the turkey, but it's mine doesn't taste like hers. No, because she didn't do it. And if you are listening to this and you're part of the family that's not going to be cooking, you're just going to be enjoy the fruits of this cooker's labor. Don't complain and offer to help. Washing dishes is always a help. And my advice number 4, y'all have had a great dinner. Everything was tasted wonderful. Y'all had just enjoyed your time with your family. Help her clean up. Oh my God, I forgot. Advice tip number 5 and 6. Number 5, this weekend, the weekend before Thanksgiving, clean your refrigerator. If you have one of those, if you're one of those wonderful people that have a refrigerator in the garage, that's even better. But clean your refrigerator out. And when you go buy groceries, those little Rubbermaid containers that you can get 4 of them about this big for $1, or at the dollar store, or you can get them wherever, get some of those. Send that food home with other people. It works. Then you don't have this massive amount of food to do something with. This Thanksgiving is going to be hard. We've lost, I know a lot of people say, well, they were older. It doesn't matter. We've lost a lot of people this year. And Thanksgiving's going to be hard. But you know what? We're going to do it. You're going to cook a wonderful Thanksgiving dinner for your family. You're going to laugh and play games. Everybody's coming to my house this year. And if I can get that awning put up outside, I'm going to have it on my deck. I've always wanted to do it, and it looks like the weather's supposed to be pretty. So I want to have Thanksgiving outside. Enjoy the day with your family. If this year has taught us anything, it's taught we're not promised tomorrow. I don't know why this C word only takes nice people. I don't know. But we'll get through this. We'll get through this. We will enjoy our day. It won't be the same, but that's okay. We're still going to enjoy the day. We're still gonna have Thanksgiving and be thankful that we can be together. It'll be okay, people. Don't stress out. If you burn something, laugh about it. Because I'm telling you, I've burned stuff that, what was I thinking? It don't matter. No matter. It don't matter. It's no problem. Enjoy your day.